Okay, we're going to take a look at directed numbers. Directed numbers just means you're positive and negative. So you want to have a good sense of the number line in your head. That's the way I think about it. So if you're at -3 on a number line and you added 4, the question is, would you cross 0? Yes. So that means the answer is going to be positive. How much have you crossed by? By 1. So you may have learned some rules in school how to do that, about the, if the signs are the same and so on, but I find it easy to just think of that number line. -3 plus 4, you cross 0 by 1. You can think about this as adding the opposite, or just subtracting means going in the left. So if you're at -3 and you go 4 steps negative, you're even deeper in the negatives, -7. When you have this one, if you're subtracting a negative, that's the same as positive. I had one student who said his teacher taught him it looks like an elephant there with the trunk, and when you see that elephant, you always put a plus. So again, I'm at -3 and I'm adding a 4, so I would cross 0 by 1. I'm at 3 and I'm adding a 4, so now I'm up to 7. When you're multiplying, we have a negative times a negative. So a negative times a negative, or positive times a positive, both equal a positive. So positive times negative and negative times positive both equal a negative. And division works the same way. So if I have a negative times a negative, that's a positive 12. And negative times a positive is a negative 12. I mean to put a plus sign there. Equals negative 12. Division. Negative divided by negative is positive. And you can leave that as, well, not 3/6. You could leave it as 1/2 or 0.5. 18 positive divided by a negative is negative.